Struggling to focus while studying? You're not alone. Let me share a quick tip that really works. It's called the 5-second rule. Count down from 5 to 1 and just start. This simple trick can break your distraction instantly. Watch as I set a timer and dive into studying. You can boost your productivity by 50%. This is a proven tip that really makes a difference. It works for any task, so give it a shot. Tag a friend who needs this and follow for more focus hacks. Let's keep that countdown going for a quick rewatch.
Got a dusty keyboard? Let's fix that fast. Check out all that grime hiding between the keys. Grab a sticky note and use the edge to sweep out the dirt. It's quick, cheap, and super effective. Look at that before and after. So satisfying. Give it a try and drop your own cleaning hacks in the comments. Don't forget to follow for more daily tech tips.
Tired of tangled earbuds? Look at this mess. But I've got a simple solution for you. Just wrap them around a binder clip. No more knots, keeps them neat in your bag, saves you time every day. It's such an easy hack. And guess what? It works for any wires. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Comment below and follow for more awesome hacks. Ever find your phone just lying on the dirty floor while charging? Look at this messy charger situation. But wait, I've got a simple solution for you. Grab a clothespin, clip it to the edge of your table and hang your phone. Now it's clean and safe, no more bending down. Check out this before and after, messy versus organized. This hack works anywhere. Try it out and let me know how it goes. And don't forget to follow for more smart hacks.
Tired of your charger cable breaking all the time? Look at this frayed mess. But I've got a simple fix for you. Grab an old pen and take out the spring. Now wrap that spring around the ends of your cable. This protects it from bending and breaking. Trust me, it lasts twice as long. Check out the difference. Frayed versus protected. Save money on new cables with this trick. Try it out and let me know how it goes. And don't forget to follow for more awesome tech hacks.
Type of cassette cable belongs to what? It's a common problem. Here, quick fix. Use sticky notes. Label each cable with its device name. Just write, fold, and secure. No more mix-ups, ever. Try this hack now. Comment your labeling tips below and follow for more daily organization hacks.
Can you guess the easiest way to clean your phone screen? Pause and comment below. Look at this dirty, smudged screen. Yikes! Here's the secret. Just a microfiber cloth and a tiny bit of water. Watch as I gently wipe it clean. No scratches, just shine. No sprays needed. Just a pro tip for you. Did you guess right? Drop your cleaning tricks below. And don't forget to follow for more awesome hacks.